And now it's my honor to present to you a parrot who knows more about the alphabet than any other parrot in the whole world. I give you H. Ross Parrot.
Come on, enough talk. Let's get on with it. Are you with me?
Yeah!
Good. Now, what we got here is a great big alphabet. Just sitting here, nobody's saying it, are they?
No!
You hear anyone saying this alphabet?
No!
Well, that's a shame. A crying shame. Time's a-wasting, so let's say the alphabet together, because together we can do it. Are you with me? Good. Now, lots of folks out there don't think we're big enough to say the whole alphabet. Well, you and I, together, we're going to show them just how big we are, aren't we?
Yeah!
Okay, enough talk. You're the boss. I'm just a parrot named Ross. So, let's do it. Are you ready to say the alphabet and stop talking about it?
Yes! We're ready!
Okay, let's do it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay! We did it! Yay! We said the alphabet!
Well, of course we did it. We did it because we worked together. Anytime you want to do it again, just do it. It's your alphabet. I just worked for you.
Boy, this is the kind of parrot we need here on Sesame Street. The kind of parrot that gets the alphabet done around here. Yeah! Yay!
Because I love you. And I love the alphabet. And I want you to love the alphabet. Yes, sir. I want you to love it and do it. Say it. Say it in the playground. Say it in your pajamas. Say it anytime you want. It's your alphabet. Just do